air pollution, boiler uses, boiler theory and operations, air pollution formations, air pollution control devices, boiler regulations. These are the use of boilers: ozone, photochemistry, nitrogen, volatile organic compounds. This is a industrial boiler. Construction and industrial applications purpose, they are used to industrial boiler. Biomass utility boiler. Phase change of water, the melting point, ice 0, liquid water ice, liquid water boiling point, and orange shade colors, liquid water stream from quality 0 to 1, superheated steams. Then British thermal unit, BTU, hot number. BTU, the amount of energy needed to heat 1 pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit, or energy given off by burning wooden matches. Lower heating valve of fuel not counting heat need vaporized water. The higher heating value fuel including the heat needed to vaporize. Convection, radiation, conduction. Convection means hot gas transfer the heat to tube. Radiation, heat transfer through space. Conduction, heat transfer through the metal tube wall. Boilers and capacities. Why opacity is this? Boiler rating, Millenbaugh boiler, power, boiler HP, pound streams and mean gateway tons per day. The combustion engineering, steam generator, typical boiler. Discuss the fire tube and water tube boilers. These are the construction of fire tube boilers. Fire tube boilers. These are the water tube boilers. Hybrid boiler. Fire valve. Boiler tubes. Boiler circulation. Water to steam calculation loop. Boil water, feed water, steam drum, down comer, water flow, heat, boiling to rise heat. Let's discuss the boiler or requirement. Boiler and air requirement. Draft, natural, forced, induced combustion air, primary and secondary access. Forced draft fan, induced draft fan. Economizers, feed water heater and feed heaters. Steam heat, feed water out, candlesticks out, feed water heater. This is one of the two-use standard boiler. Start air flow, fixed bed, minimum fluidization, bed bubbling, circulation bed. circulating fluidized bed boiler, circulating fluidized bed boiler, and I work all days. Stopper boiler. The composition of stoke boilers. Stoke boilers involve a combustion grate, fuel distribution on the grate, undergrate or underdrift in the air, over air. 3 steps of biomass combustion: drying, classification, car burnout.